Are you sitting on untapped potential that could lead to immense wealth? In this video, we'll uncover 15 surprising obsessions that could be your ticket to fortune. You might be shocked to discover that your seemingly unrelated hobby or skill could be the key to unlocking vast riches. Don't miss out on this eye-opening revelation. Subscribe now to ensure you never overlook another opportunity for financial success. 1. The Poker Pro's Path to Prosperity. Poker isn't just a game of chance. It's a sophisticated exercise in risk assessment, emotional control, and strategic decision-making under pressure. These skills translate directly to business success, where calculated risks and reading people are crucial. Dan Bilzerian, despite controversy, leveraged his poker skills into a multi-million-dollar empire spanning investments and entrepreneurship. His ability to manage bankroll in poker translated to smart financial management in business ventures. 2. From Pixels to Profits. Strategy Game Mastery. Strategy games like Civilization and Age of Empires cultivate long-term thinking, resource management, and adaptive strategy skills. Players learn to balance immediate needs with long-term goals, a crucial ability in business. Elon Musk, known for his strategic approach across multiple industries, has often likened business to a complex strategy game. His ability to pivot and adapt Tesla's strategy in the face of challenges mirrors the dynamic decision-making required in these games. 3. The eBay Entrepreneur, Flipping for Fortune. Some people have an innate talent for spotting value and arbitrage opportunities, starting small and scaling up. This skill can evolve from flipping items on eBay to major real estate deals or even company acquisitions. Gary Vaynerchuk's early success with Wine Library TV stemmed from his ability to identify undervalued wines and flip them for profit. He leveraged this skill to build a digital marketing empire and become a serial entrepreneur. 4. Boardroom Skills from Board Games. Board games like Monopoly and Catan teach negotiation, strategic planning, and financial management in a competitive environment. These skills directly translate to real-world business scenarios, from deal-making to resource allocation. Warren Buffett, known for his love of bridge, credits the game for honing his business acumen. He often states that bridge has taught him about calculated risk-taking and reading opponents, skills he's applied in his investment strategies. 5. Collecting Riches, the Art of Trading Cards. Understanding the value of rare items and complete collections can lead to significant wealth. This applies not just to trading cards, but to art, antiquities, and other collectibles. Steve Cohen, the billionaire hedge fund manager, is also known for his extensive art collection, demonstrating how collecting can become a lucrative investment strategy. His ability to spot undervalued pieces and understand market trends in art mirrors his success in the stock market. 6. Solo Sports, the entrepreneur's training ground. Individual sports foster self-motivation, discipline, goal setting, and the ability to perform under pressure. All crucial entrepreneurial traits. Athletes learn to analyze their performance, adapt strategies, and persistently work towards improvement. Michael Phelps, the most decorated Olympian of all time, has successfully transitioned from swimming to business ventures. He's applied the same dedication, work ethic, and goal-oriented mindset that made him a champion in the pool to his role as an entrepreneur and mental health advocate. 7. Rags to Riches, the Immigrant's Edge. Those who've overcome adversity to succeed in a new country often possess unparalleled drive, adaptability, and resourcefulness. They're accustomed to taking risks and working hard to create opportunities. Sergey Brin, co-founder of Google, emigrated from the Soviet Union as a child and went on to revolutionize the tech industry. His experience as an immigrant instilled in him a unique perspective and a drive to innovate, which were crucial in Google's development. 8. The Mathematical Mind, from Olympiads to Wealth. Math and physics Olympiad participants often excel in business due to their advanced problem-solving skills, analytical thinking, and ability to work with complex systems. These skills are invaluable in fields like finance, tech, and data science. Jeff Bezos, a high school valedictorian and National Merit Scholar, applied his analytical skills to create Amazon's empire. His ability to see patterns and optimize systems has been crucial in Amazon's growth and diversification. 9. Community builders, from forum mods to business leaders. Managing online communities develops leadership, conflict resolution, and community engagement skills. These abilities are crucial in building and managing teams, as well as understanding and responding to customer needs. Mark Zuckerberg's experience running online forums at Harvard laid the groundwork for creating Facebook. His understanding of online social dynamics was instrumental in shaping Facebook's features and growth strategies. 10. Bookworms to billionaires. The power of reading. Avid readers constantly expand their knowledge, gain new perspectives, and improve their critical thinking skills. This gives them a significant edge in business, allowing them to draw insights from a wide range of disciplines. Bill Gates is famous for his voracious reading habits, often releasing annual book recommendation lists. Look for our video, 15 Books Bill Gates Thinks Everyone Should Read. He credits books for much of his success, stating that reading is his primary way of learning and testing his understanding. 11. Student leaders. Tomorrow's business titans. Experience in student government develops leadership, public speaking, project management, and diplomacy skills. These are all crucial in navigating the business world and leading organizations. Sheryl Sandberg, COO of Meta, was active in student government at Harvard and went on to become one of the most influential women in tech. Her early leadership experiences helped shape her management style and her advocacy for women in leadership roles. 12. Design thinking. The aesthetic advantage. Understanding design principles can lead to creating products and experiences that people love. Good design is not just about aesthetics, it's about functionality, user experience, and solving problems creatively. Jony Ive's design expertise was crucial in Apple's resurgence and continued success under Steve Jobs. His ability to combine form and function in products like the iMac, iPhone, and iPad revolutionized consumer electronics and significantly contributed to Apple's market dominance. 13. Party planners, networking ninjas. The ability to bring people together, create memorable experiences, and foster connections is invaluable in business. These skills translate to networking, team building, and creating positive company cultures. Richard Branson's talent for throwing legendary parties has been a key factor in building the Virgin brand and network. His ability to create fun, memorable experiences has helped him build relationships with influencers, secure deals, and create a unique company culture that sets Virgin apart. 14. Opinionated voices. The power of personality. Strong personalities and unique perspectives can build loyal followings and create powerful personal brands. In today's media landscape, authenticity and distinctiveness are highly valued. Joe Rogan turned his comedic and opinionated style into a multi-million-dollar podcast empire. His willingness to engage in long-form conversations on a wide range of topics, combined with his authentic personality, has attracted a massive and dedicated audience, leading to lucrative sponsorship deals and a $100 million Spotify contract. 15. Street smarts, the culture capitalists. Understanding and leveraging current cultural trends can lead to massive success in business. This requires a keen awareness of what resonates with different demographics and the ability to capitalize on emerging trends. Rihanna's Fenty Beauty line capitalized on her understanding of diverse consumer needs in the beauty industry, making her a billionaire. By recognizing the lack of inclusive shade ranges in mainstream cosmetics and leveraging her cultural influence, she created a brand that resonated deeply with a wide range of consumers. If you're intrigued by the prospect of financial freedom, don't stop here. Our previous videos delve deeper into the strategies and surprising twists on the path to wealth. You might be astonished by the unconventional methods some have used to achieve their fortunes. Ready to take the next step? Click the link in the description to access exclusive resources that could accelerate your journey to financial success.